Okay, so in this video we are going to make a lean-to shed with 8 bays and roller doors on the higher side. Okay, let's go to the basic dimensions, and the rafter type will be SG8. Roof pitch will be 5.8 degrees, and height will be 5 meters. Number of bays will be 8, okay, like this, and bay spacing will be 4 meters. And for columns we can add some center columns like this on the end wall only. Okay, so now we go to the walls tab, and we have to apply walls, and on the higher side we will add some doors. Okay, like this, and then we will go to the windows tab, and we will add some windows on the front end wall and back wall.